Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to add a credit card to the Zara app on your phone. It's a very simple process and we'll guide you through how to do it. Let's dive right in. First of all, download the Zara app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. And make sure you are logged into your account. After you are logged in, you will see this interface of the app. So now, in order to add a credit card to your Zara account, you need to select the card payment method during the checkout process. So let's go ahead and choose the products. You can select any product you want, add to the cart. Now here you can see the shopping cart icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Here you will see the list of items that you have added to the shopping cart. Now in order to proceed to the checkout process, tap on Buy. You can see the Continue button, tap on it. Now select the payment method that you want to use. Select according to your credit card details. So for example, I will select MasterCard for now. Here you need to enter your card details, including the card number, your expiry dates, the cardholder's name, and the CVV number. Once you enter all the card details, here you can see the Next button. Tap on it. Now you need to tap on Authorize Payment option. Now here comes the most important part. This card information will be saved to your profile. You will be able to view and edit your payment details in the wallet section of your profile. So tap on Yes to save the card information. And there you go. You've successfully added a credit card to your Zara app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.